French professor, it had been generally accepted that the population of Egypt was Caucasoid. But Cheikh Anta Diop was instrumental in causing it to be reclassified as Negroid. A recent publication gives a faithful and extended summary of Cheikh Anta Diop's thesis, and they quote, "In fact, the Neolithic and pre-dynastic inhabitants of Egypt and Nubian Valley were Negroes, and Negroes were responsible for building the prehistoric and historic Egypto-Nubian civilization." That's the quote from Professor Bercuda, followed by Nicole Blanc. The peopling of the Nile Valley south of the 20th. See, everybody had to give a paper at this conference. I'm just extracting this book, Peopling of Ancient Egypt and the Deciphering of Meroitic Script. You can buy it, and it has the report of these papers in it. So you don't have to guess what was said. I'm quoting to you what was said. The almost total Arabization. See, this is why you get confused. You look at Egypt now with all the Arabic population there, and you can't figure when they came. The Egyptologists know when they came. Here it is. The almost total Arabization of the northern Sudan dates only from the 16th century. Until that time, since the conquest of Egypt by Muslim Arabs between 639 and 41, there had been merely a steady southward infiltration. In other words, the color, or at least the peopling of Egypt, changed with the Arabic peopling of Egypt, so that the existing population of Egypt is not the native population of Egypt, especially around Cairo, except for the fact that they intermarried with the native population of Egypt.